Hello, everyone. Umkhosi Ojuicy here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, guys, Musa Mseliku was turning 50. Yip, yip. Hooray. So, Musa began an event. Event yake was supposed to start at 5. But the wives were very late. But ngiyababona bonke mangwabe was extremely late, guys, cause ufike lapha ku-event 8:45 while i-event isesemkhathini nje vele like into letiningi setindlulile. So siyakubona konke bafike late bo-wife, then the event continues, then boom, mnini asathuthula speech sakhe, then the little boy or break her down, so he couldn't finish his speech sakhe. Then big brother Mpumelelo Mseleku what hi mina I will continue his speech. Then boom, Budomdala to Baba is a lion of the family. How kanjani? Oh, a lion. But yes, he's a lion. Like wakhipha vele ma-secret family. Hayi banwethu inkundleni yokuchumana lapha ku-Twitter. Hayi bamngenela umfana. So they want to know. My journalist, everyone lapha ku-Twitter nje sonke sifuna ukwazi ukuthi how is this man the lion of the family? Is Musa that bully or what? Please, guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for many more.